Hi everyone.
Update.
All right, look here. I have this. It's supposed to be a rubber band powered car, but it's elastic. Same thing, pretty much the same thing. And Chad and I are doing a car challenge. But first, I wanted to tell you, I'm Corey, and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. For those of you that are new, make sure you like and subscribe and share this channel out. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing adventures that I take you on, or little quirky things like this that I do with Sea Smash. That's Chad, by the way. And I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. But him and I are going to have a car challenge. We are going to be racing these cars. We're building them from scratch, and we're going to be racing them. But anyway, we're going to get all set up and get racing, and I will see you in just a little bit. Put in the comments below which car you think will win, and in the meantime, you will see how Chad and I are building our cars. All right, see you guys in a few minutes.
This is what I have so far.
All right, for mine and Chad's car challenge, I've decided that I wanted to make a rubber band fan powered operated car. So these are some of the supplies that I have. I'm not sure if it's all that I need, but I have some bottle caps for the wheels, a couple different sizes because I don't know exactly which ones I'm going to use. I have some drinking straws. You'll see when all this comes together. It'll make sense. And some skewers. These types of rubber bands, I'm going to see which one's going to work better. This one or this one. It's going to be a fun car challenge that Chad and I are going to do for you. What I'm going to do now is going to get started a little bit on it. And as things change, and I'll show you progress as we go along. And if I change out things and everything like that, I will explain to you my changes that I made. But right now, we're going to get started on it. Alright guys, so I decided to go 2 big wheels on the back end and 2 of the smaller wheels on the front end. And then I don't know what I'm doing next. And then I'm going to have the propeller. I still decided to keep that going. But that's what we're going to do so far. I think I'm going to try to assemble it here. 2 big wheels. Shh. Okay, you guys. So anyway, we're going to go spy on Chad. Let's go see what he's up to. Because he's trying to be secretive of the car challenge. Shh. Oops. Okay, you guys. So I did change the car a little bit. It started to get messed up, but it's still the same idea. I still have the same wheels. I'm still using the straw. Still gonna use, well, it's not really a rubber band, but it's stretchy elastic. It's not quite done yet still, but I wanted to give it a try. All right, so let's take the car back, wind it up, see that? Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Oh yeah, that's kind of tight there. Watch out, Daisy. All right, you guys, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, well that was faster, but we got slippage. So I think we need to add a little weight in here so it doesn't slip so much. The front doesn't need it because the front is just free. So we're gonna add a little bit of weight in here and see if that helps. All right, we'll be back. Okay, you guys. We're still not 100% finished. We're pretty darn close. What we're gonna do is give it a couple of test runs. Alright, so I hooked it on, my little hook right there. Now, pull back. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Alright, let's not overdo it. Alright, now let's see what it does. Whoa! Yeah, I like it. Alright, I think we're good. I'm gonna decorate it a little bit, and then we're gonna be done. Alright, you guys, see you in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so it was way too windy outside. So we both agreed that we can come in here into the kitchen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start about this line right here where my foot is. This line. Maybe the back wheels. No, whatever, anyway, right here I think, or right here, something. But anyway, and then we're gonna see whose car can go all the way to the door. We're gonna see who's win. Chad set up his phone over there to catch the photo finish. And you guys don't forget also, make sure you catch out Chad's channel, because he's gonna do his own little type of video on this. Alright, so check it out to see more about his car, because I'm only showing you mostly mine, but we're gonna peek a little bit here and there on his, but he'll show you more about his car, how he did it. Alright, well let us get set up and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm winding mine up once again. Chad has to turn on the switch.
Yes.
Maybe you're smaller. Come underneath. You're younger. Watch your head though. Watch your back.
Donk.
Okay. So let's see whose car is gonna go fastest to the wall. I gotta wind mine up more. Hold on. Man powered.
Woman powered.
Oh yeah, woman powered. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The front wheels, or the front end. Where'd she go? Okay, scoot over to your right just a little. Just a little. Okay. On, 2, 3, go! Oh! Woo! Yeah! Oh! Casual goal 1. Good try, buddy. Yay! Well, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to Casual Girl Adventures if you haven't already. You can watch this all the way through to here. Like and subscribe and share this out. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to Smash. I'll put the link to his channel in my description below.
Words.
And yeah, my words. And anyway, Mama won. My sucker took off, huh? Yeah. But anyway, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, bye.
This was all homemade, by the way.
That was all homemade. You did a good job.